Karen Reed acquitted of murder in Boston officer death, convicted of DUI in retrial verdict.
Karen Reed was found not guilty of second-degree murder and manslaughter in the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, following a retrial in Massachusetts.
The verdict came after nearly 8 weeks of testimony and a previous mistrial due to a hung jury. While acquitted of the most serious charges, Reed was convicted of driving under the influence and received a sentence of 1 year probation as a first-time offender, a sentence supported by prosecutors and the judge. Both supporters and critics of Reed agreed that the police investigation into O'Keefe's death was deeply flawed, marked by unethical conduct and potential evidence fabrication, which likely influenced the jury's decision. Reed's attorneys alleged that law enforcement officers shielded witnesses and fabricated evidence to implicate her, arguing that she was a victim of a conspiracy involving off-duty police officers present at the scene. One juror expressed belief in Reed's innocence, though acknowledged that not all jurors initially shared this view. The jury ultimately found reasonable doubt sufficient to acquit her of murder and manslaughter. Prosecutors pointed to data showing Reed's SUV moving backward at speed near the time of O'Keefe's death and cited her own statements, including an alleged admission of "I hit him," to argue guilt. The family of John O'Keefe expressed disappointment and frustration at the verdict, while Reed's supporters celebrated outside the courthouse, chanting in her favor. The case had previously ended in a mistrial in 2024.
A retrial was scheduled for early 2025, with ongoing legal motions including defense requests to dismiss certain charges based on double jeopardy claims. Following revelations of misconduct during the investigation, at least 2 police officers connected to the case were suspended or placed on administrative leave, underscoring concerns about the integrity of the inquiry into O'Keefe's death.